Welcome to Carle's newly designed interactive showroom. Let's take a look. Carle is an automobile purchasing platform which is designed to help users make an informed choice when it comes to purchasing a car. Now, choosing a car can be challenging and confusing, but Carle provides clear transparency in order to help you make the best decision.
Today, we introduce Carle, Singapore's first safe and transparent automobile purchasing platform. Carle aims to serve as a go-to site for vehicle-related information. It also houses a brand new car buying experience where we let customers decide on what is included in their packages. Be creative with more than 60 over accessories to choose from. Even decide on their COE, warranty and servicing coverage, as well as a fully flexible financing scheme to work with.
Now, after hearing the introduction, what are some of your impressions about Carle?
So I feel Carle is a really unique company. Allows buyers a very hassle-free system of just selecting and mixing and match and choosing their cars just like that.
I think that at Carle's platform, they have provide a lot of useful information. Secondly, being able to receive the quote at home brings a huge convenience.
So Carle actually provides us with a new and unique interactive platform. Carle is not afraid to innovate and be different from other dealers.
We understand that customers value transparency, so we developed a status tracking account for every customer to monitor and track their purchase processes, as well as payment tracking, loan application, COE bidding, vehicle status, and many more.
I like the way they do business. They are more family-oriented, friendly staff, honest business model.
Come on down to Carle to try out this brand new interactive experience. It's definitely something you do not want to miss.